eProd introduces provide rice advice information through eProd users to smallholder farmers. Africa Rice has developed a smart application that provides detailed production advice based on location, variety, and planting date to the farmers. The main challenge is the disconnect with on-the-ground data. Africa Rice partner companies do have this information. 1. Farmer details. 2. Field details including location and planting date. 3. Contact information. It is therefore easy to link the two platforms to ensure that the right message reaches the farmers in time. In this movie, we will present how Cebu Seeds Limited can use the API to provide more detailed production advice to its farmers, using the integration with the Africa Rice app. We show you how to 1. Register a farmer. 2. Provide Africa Rice seed to the farmer ensuring traceability. 3. Register a field taking polygon. 4. Share an individualized SMS to a farmer based on the planting information. 5. Show rice advice based on planting information in the mobile application. 6. Share SMS with the farmer with fertilizer information to be purchased. 7. From there, show how the system can automate additional advice and application rates the days after sowing using templates in eProd. 8. Show rice advice integration in the mobile application. This allows the field extension officer to share exactly the same advice with the farmers. On the mobile application, to add a new farmer or to register a new farmer, click on Farmers. You will see a list of all your farmers. If you want to add a new farmer, click on the plus sign icon on top right, and then the system will ask you to type in all the required information, including the name. The name, Musa Salau. You say enter, type in the ID for that farmer. For the sake of this demo, we are going to use a couple of zeros. And 78, and then enter. Also, we need the mobile phone number for this farmer. Once done with the phone number, we also need to type in or capture when the farmer was born. So we already have a calendar on the mobile application. All you need to do, you just need to select the year, the month, and the day, and then you hit the enter button. You can as well type in manually on your keyboard, or you can just use the scroll bar, the year scroll bar. Another thing that we need to capture is the gender. So we say our farmer Musa is a male. Then we select the GPS information. We skip the payment method that will be inherited from the group. And then finally, we select the group that our farmer belongs to. Immediately you click OK, it will take you to your list of farmers. You can see we have Musa Salau. You can click to view more information regarding to that farmer. Also, I will be showing you how to issue certified Africa Rice seed using the mobile application. So once you open a farmer's profile, you will see icon number 6 or button number 6 written issue. So you click on issue, and then it will show you all the accounts that you have access to. Then you can issue out against loan, and then it will ask you to select the loan type. Then type in the kgs of certified seed you are issuing to this farmer, 100, and then an equal amount in Nigeria Naira. So say 25,000 Nigeria Naira for the 100 kgs of seeds. Also, the system is able to print either loan or cash receipt, you can issue this receipt to your farmers. A loan will be created automatically. Also, I'm going to show you how to add or register farmer field on the mobile application. To do so, click on fields. From here, you'll see a list of already existing fields for this farmer. To add a new field, you click on the plus sign icon on the top right. The farmer will be selected already. All you need to do is to select the crop that the farmer is growing. You can as well give a field name, so say plot C, and then type in the size in hectares. Capture the GPS position of this field. Capture the polygon information for this field. We go to traceability. For each and every sachet of seeds or bag of seeds issued by Africa Rice, there is a traceability number. So for this case, I put ARF44 for Faro 44 2023. We also need to select the seed origin. I selected Africa Rice, and then the number of seeds planted. This can as well be customized to bags planted or number of seeds planted. So I said 100, and then the field status. From the drop down, we have all the seed or crop stages for rice, Faro 44. So we say transplant stage number 1. Productivity, we leave it at 100. The field extension officers are responsible for updating the productivity. Then also on the dates, we need to type in the date when this field was initiated. So we say 24th, 3 days ago, and the system will adjust 3 days ago, and still has 146 days to go. All you need to do, you just need to double check that you've entered all the required information and say save. So now this farmer has 3 fields. To check on rice advice information, you click on any of the fields, and then on the top left with written rice advice, click on it, and it will show you all the practices that the farmer should follow. This message or advice will be summarized by eProd and will be shared with the farmer via SMS. You can click on the back button to go to the previous window, and you can do the same with other fields. All this data was captured when offline. You can now send this information to the desktop by going to the home page and then synchronize, click on synchronize button. This information will be uploaded to the cloud, and it will be downloaded on the desktop eProd application. Okay, on the desktop application, we will download all the data that we captured using the mobile application by going to File and then Download. So I'm downloading the farmer data that we added using the mobile application. Once that is done, we go to Production and then Fields. This is where we'll see an overview of all the fields, all the field data for our different farmers. For now, we are interested with Musa Salau's field, plot C. Double click on that plot and you'll see more information in regards to that field, including the traceability, ARF44 2023, the size of the unit, and the dates of planting, including the GPS information. Also, on the right side, we have the state of that field. So currently this field is at transplant. Start date was on 24th February 2023. Also on top here, we added the rice advice icon. You click on it and you will see a summary only linked to this field. This summary will be shared to our farmers via SMS. All you need to do, you click on the yes, and the farmer will receive these SMSs on their phones. We've also automated the process of sending these SMSs based on the crop status. To do so, you go to Contact System and then SMS message. On this page, you will see a list of SMSs to be sent to your farmers based on the status. The first message was advising the farmer to purchase kgs of fertilizer. We have the message here: Dear Musa, the total fertilizer to be purchased for your 4.0 hectare rice field. We have NPK 320 kgs, that is 80 per hectare. We also have 2 urea. This message will be sent immediately a field is added. Also, we have the second message that is scheduled after a specific number of days or when the status of a field changes. The last message at the panicle initiation stage. So we are advising the farmer to purchase and apply urea 760 kgs for the 4 acres and apply between these dates. Through the integration of the two platforms, RiceAdvice and eProd, 100 of rice seed companies can now share automated production advice with their farmers, which will help them to increase their productivity and income.